Hello everyone, my name is Pranav. I am part of USRA program funded by Government of Canada and Lausanne School of Engineering. I will be working on a unique project this summer predicting laser-induced graphene properties using machine learning modeling. My typical day starts with extracting data from LIG literature. So far, most of my work has been digital, collecting various properties for LIG under different conditions and different parameters. Next, I work with machine learning models like neural networks, random forest and XGBoost, training them on this dataset. Our goal is to enhance the predictability of LIG properties, trying to gather material science and artificial intelligence in compelling interdisciplinary blend. For programming and model training, I use Jupyter Notebook, an efficient interactive platform for Python code execution and high-power computation tasks. This computer-centric part of my research has been enlightening, paving a way for hand-on lab experience. I will be back with more updates. Thank you for watching.